Okay, this is the AMS Ekman Dredge. I'm going to show you how to trip the jaws open on it, and then we're actually going to lower it here and try and take a shallow sediment sample. This dredge is a little different from the rest of our AMS bottom dredges in the fact that it does have spring-loaded jaws that will trigger when the Messeenger is actually dropped down the rope. It'll trigger the jaws to close. So I'm going to show you how to pull those up and set them into place. You're going to actually need to grab a hold of this handle here and do one jaw at a time. It's kind of tricky to get it up there, but just grab a hold of it here and hold on to it. And then you're going to bring your loop here around the top hook and kind of let go of it. Now that jaw is open on the dredge, and you're just going to want to flip it around and do the other side. And be careful, it is spring loaded, it's like a trap door. It could pinch you. It does take some strength to kind of get it around those hooks. Okay, now both jaws are completely open. You can kind of situate your clamps at the top, and I like to get the prongs kind of low so that when the Messeenger hits, it's going to trigger both doors at the same time. Okay, so now we're going to carefully lower it to the bottom. It does have both these hinged doors on it, so during the descent, it's going to allow that water to pass freely through the sampler. Okay, now that we have it on the bottom, we got about a 1 pound Messeenger. And all we're going to do is just drop this guy. He's going to slide down the rope and trigger those jaws to close at the same time. Now we're going to pull it up. Both jaws did activate at the same time, so we can bring it over here and you can just lift up. And you've got a nice bottom sample. That's the Ekman Dredge.